Hello and welcome back to another creative list. I'm your host Angela and I hope you enjoy.
Although not all of us play tennis, I'd be willing to bet that you might just have a few rackets lying around, and you're not sure what to do with them. First, if you can find a local children's charity that needs sports items like this, please donate them. If you can't find a charity that would put them directly to good use, don't worry. I have 13 different unique ideas to share with you. From wall decor to furniture, it seems there is a lot more to tennis rackets than just hitting a ball. Without further ado, let's check out what these creative tennis racket artists have to share with us today. This is such a great idea for either an accent wall or just an accent strip. Super cute and super unique. Have any of your friends have anything like that? Leave me in the comments below if your friends sport this kind of stuff in their houses. And this one right here, oh my goodness, a whole wall painted black with then the tennis rackets over it. I never would have thought that tennis rackets would look cool just hanging on a wall, but look at this, they look cool. Use yarn to weave whatever design your heart desires. These would even make great gifts. Plus, you could even put words on them. This tennis racket artist took weaving a design into the tennis racket to the next level. What a beautiful piece of art and a fantastic conversation piece. And just when you thought you had seen it all. Done yet, but if you've made it this far, I'd like to thank you so much for watching and ask a couple favors of you. You see, I work really hard on my videos, and if I've provided you value, such as new ideas, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another upload and so I can bring you even better content. Next, let me know what you thought of my video with a thumbs up or thumbs down if it sucked. I've left a playlist of more ideas for ordinary things at the end of this video for you to binge on for hours, or if you just have time for one more, be sure to watch the Pop Top Ideas video. Love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.